Good morning, D&D here, and today I have a slightly different video. Recently, Evenfleur threw down the gauntlet and created the BASIL challenge. So, basically, you get a whole bunch of basil. I've put about half of that in this cup, you could call it a mug, and basically I'm going to eat all of this, or as per the challenge, drink it. So we'll try and drink it as well as we can. And I thought I'd pick a lock at the same time to keep things on brand. Today's lock is this USPS registered mail lock. Basically, it's not that difficult. There's 3 pins right in the back. It's a bit tapered. I'll pick that. And the real cool feature about this lock is when you unlock it, whether you pick it or use the key, the shackle rotates. It goes around, and as it does that, it turns this counter one position. So this lock has been opened 735 times. You can't reset that, as far as I know. The idea being, it's obvious if someone's tampered with this lock. So even if you can pick it, they'll know that you've done it. So you're screwed anyway. Okay. Let's start with the basil. So, basil. Alright. You'll have to just believe that I'm eating this. I'll try and drink it. Alright. Like, it's fairly pleasant at first, but after a bit you realise you're just eating, like, way too much basil. Christ, it's a lot of basil. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's starting to taste pretty bad now. Alright, let's pick this as quickly as possible, I suppose. A little bit of plug rotation there, maybe. If I remember correctly, it takes quite a bit of force to actually turn the lock, so we'll see in a minute, I suppose, about that. It felt like we were making progress. I'll have some more basil. It's got a bit left in there now. Might not be able to see that. There's a bit of basil left. I promise I will eat all of it. I should say, I inquired as to what the official rules of this challenge were. And Mr. Fleur said that it's pretty simple. You put the basil in the cup and drink it. And the main rule is must be basil, and also must be drunk. Come on. In before, this is like a 20-minute video of me picking this stupid lock. I think maybe that was an overset. Maybe I had an overset before. I have picked this before, so this thing better not do me dirty now. There we go. Okay, so that's definitely open. Alright, I'll show you. Hang on. So you can see the shackle's like half done now, so I'll just turn that off. Okay, so let's watch the counter go over. Actually, it already has gone over. It clicked over in one move, so it says 736 now. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway, I'll finish rotating this. And there we go, it locks it back up again. So there we go. So register mail lock. Is there any basil left? Yeah, there is. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to eat the rest of the basil. No basil. I'm not going to eat the whole bunch. I think one cup of that was enough. It's pretty disgusting. No. Anyway, cheers to Fleur for the idea, and cheers to HP actually for selling me this lock. It's pretty cool. I don't have a key for it, and I'm not sure I'm going to make one, but yeah, there we go. At least that's another lock picked, I suppose. Okay, thanks for watching.